Let's learn how to check engine compression using dry and wet engine testing. First, run the engine for 10 to 15 minutes to warm it up. Note: turn off the ignition switch before removing the spark plug. Then, remove the spark plug cap. Which is attached to the spark plug. Next, place a socket wrench to the spark plug and rotate it in anti-clockwise direction to loosen the spark plug. Again, rotate the socket wrench in anti-clockwise direction to completely remove the spark plug. Now, for dry test, attach the compression gauge adapter to the cylinder head. Turn on the ignition switch. After that, give a full throttle. Then, press the starter until the needle stops and the dial gauge shows the first reading. Further, press the release button to bring back the needle at initial position. Similarly, repeat the procedure for other two readings. Note: in our example, reading 1 is 10.1 kilograms per centimeter square, reading 2 is 9.9 kilograms per centimeter square, and reading 3 is 10.2 kilograms per centimeter square. After that, for wet test, remove the compression gauge adapter and pour 20 to 25 drops of engine oil inside the spark plug hole with the help of oil squirter. Next, place back the compression gauge adapter into the spark plug hole and give full throttle. Then, press the starter until the needle stops and the dial gauge shows the first reading. Further, press the release button to bring back the needle at initial position. Similarly, repeat the procedure for other two readings. Note: in our example, reading 1 is 10 kilograms per centimeter square, reading 2 is 10.1 kilograms per centimeter square, and reading 3 is 9.8 kilograms per centimeter square. Note: wet test reading is usually more than dry test reading. This difference should not be more than 2 kilograms per centimeter square. Note: always clean the components and check for any damages before its reassembly.